Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to simply expand your gradient preview color thumbnail in Photoshop for easy and preview of your gradient color before you apply it on a text or object. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do here is to come down below right here, and we go ahead and make sure we create a new layer. Okay. Then after make a new layer, next thing we want to do here is to make sure we go ahead and select any shape. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use rectangle shape. Then I'll go ahead and draw my rectangle shape right here. Okay. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and we make sure we select our gradient tool. Then having selected our gradient tool, then from the property right here, you have your gradient right here. So what we want to do here is to select on gradient. So right here we have gradient. Next thing you want to do is to click on here. You have your color preview in a tiny way right here, which make it sometimes difficult to preview. So if I open this particular folder, it's also tiny. How do you expand this for a possible and best preview of your gradient in Photoshop? What you want to do here is to click on the setting icon right here. Then you can try large list. So when you have large list, you can see it increase both the folder and the text. So you can open up any folder right here, then you have it in a large preview. So the brush eye right here, then you have in a large preview. So you can go ahead and come back right here, and then you have large thumbnail. So these are bigger thumbnail, which allow you to see detail about the gradient before you apply it on your subject. Like, we may decide to go back right here and switch to small list. So we have back to our small list right here. We can go back here and go back to larger list. Everything depends on what exactly we really want to achieve. But as for me, I prefer this particular large thumbnail right here, which allow me to preview everything. So I can expand my thumbnail right here. Then we can scroll down and check different palettes. This is another set of gradients in a large thumbnail preview right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Photoshop tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.